Good morning, people of the internet, and welcome back to the Sap Crazy YouTube channel, where we are constantly catching bad drivers and other observations along our way to work and play. So we cruise around LA, going to work and going to play, capturing anything and everything that we can see in the realm of bad drivers and everything else. So thanks for coming along. You gonna go that way or what? Get on over then. Put on his signal trying to get over nearly at the last second. Blocking the intersection as always. Well, on the freeway we go. Thanks for watching this short clip. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more like it, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and hell, if you feel like it, leave me a comment down below. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Sap Crazy, and I'll see you on the next video.